Hi guys, so I'm just going to demonstrate this REM pod. So in the back of the unit there's a 9-volt battery which can be simply exchanged just by clipping or unclipping it. The device has an extendable aerial that emits or radiates an electromagnetic field. So when that's broken or something comes into close contact with it, it will ground and then it will sound the alarm. So on the side of the unit there's an on-off button and there's a little array of LEDs that rise with the proximity or closeness of what comes into touch with it. So with the antenna down, I'll just turn the device on and you can see that as I approach that, the LEDs go up in sequence. So if you want to extend the antenna, just make sure that when you turn the device on, it's not close to any surfaces, because the unit will calibrate and it'll take those into account. So if you set it up with, say, a 2-foot area of clear space around the antenna, and then as we approach the antenna, you'll see that it's sensing my proximity, and then when it gets to the top, it will alert. Then you can simply turn the unit off and stow it in your kit bag for later use.